take a while to get ready, and now I think I'm going to get some grocery, and then I will go to Ross because we realized that we need another pot, because in this apartment we have only one pot, which is not great. And then I will catch up my work that I didn't do anything today, which is bad. I woke up very tired and I slept over until 11. It's okay, I will catch up everything. I have a class at 6 p.m. so I will see you guys very soon. So I'm going to working on why my finger is hurt. I don't know. It's okay. I just come back from grocery shopping and now I am ready to do my homework stuff, everything, so I can catch up all of the things that I missed today. So we'll see how it's gonna be, and then I'm going to do a little bit of study for the history class because that is kind of hard.
Take home exercise game.
I'm going to cook now because it's 5 p.m. already and I have a class at 6, so by that time I can finish it. I'm going to make kimchi soup today because I haven't eaten that for a while already.
I think that, especially here in the Northwest, eventually tell you the story, such as these. When we look at them pulled together, that you realize that it's actually Victorian, and a lot of the wood that they're using are the dark hardwoods like mahogany and rosewood.
Now I am studying for the quiz at 8 p.m. and luckily the teacher is not required us to stay there, so I have like a couple hours to study. I actually had the lecture already and now I am just going to redo it again and trying to remember what is going on because his story has a lot of information. Before I took a shower, I just finished one of my drawing, which is great. I have one more left that I have to do today. I have been working on it for a while already. I have to draw like 8 drawings or something, but yeah, now it is about to finish. I just realized I haven't talked about my classes in this winter, but actually I have 5 classes, which I think that is pretty tough. I have drawing, drafting, space planning, advanced kitchen bath, and what else? And history. I feel like all of these classes take time. History have to like read a lot. Not just that, I need to translate to my language as well, so that's kind of tough for me. I hope I can make more video about my study because I know that I'm going to study a lot for this winter term. It's 1 p.m. already, so I think I'm going to make my lunch, and of course I have my kimchi soup, which is from the leftover from yesterday. I need to clean a lot of stuff as well, so let's do it. I think I'm done, so let me show you guys like quick here. This I feel like it's got a lot better than the last picture right here. I'll see you guys later. Now I'm just going to chill, you know.
Is close to the kitchen, so you don't have to go through the dining room into the living room, into the dining room. So these are
Boop, boop. Okay guys, now I decided to go for a walk since today is such a pretty day, so let's go. Okay. Oh, so. Okay, guys. I just took a shower. I feel so fresh right now, and I am going to the art store. I am looking for the drawing pencils and maybe pens for my drawing class, which I really needed. And I also have classes tomorrow, so I need to go today since I am free right now. By the way, I just got the new package when I was in the bathroom, and it is the coffee table. You guys might wonder what the heck going on with me, why I bought it another time. But guys, it is super nice, and I will tell you what, I will remove this own coffee table to this corner. The printer and the wires was located right now because I think that needs some stands. I think that is gonna be very nice and looks more organized. So yeah, I hope that it's gonna be very cute, and we will see when I come back. I will show you guys. Probably going to open it because I really want to see how it's look and if I like it. I think I like it. So let's just go and get some surprise and do a little bit of study before the class starts. So here is basically what I got. These are my art supply that I need to use for this term, so it is very helpful. This is for my drawing class, which I need a lot of stuff and I pay a lot as well. I don't know why art supplies here is very expensive, but it is what it is. I need to buy it, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? First, I have the duffing paper, which obviously I need that. I have the plan picture. Everything is more convenient if you use this, so we need that. So I have the triangle for two of them. One is smaller and one is the bigger. This is the 12 inches triangle. I have this eraser and the lead pointer. What I got for today is this big bag, but not so many stuff. I got this T-square. I think this is gonna be very helpful when I do the drafting. I also got this Pigma. I got these 3 different sizes. So what else? I also got some of the pencils. As I said, I really need pencil for my drawing class. I don't know why I cannot find all my own pencils, so I got 3 of them. I have the HB, I have B and 2B. I think that is gonna be very helpful for drawing. So, and I also have this pencil sharpener, which I really need it for sharpen my pencils. And I also have the erasing chill. But yeah, these are my art surprise shopping little haul. I hope you guys enjoy a little haul. I just sent one of my assignments, and now I'm having a little bit break, and I'm going to install the coffee table, and Robert is going to help me for the installing. It's very huge.
Damaged. Looks like they dropped it. It's cheap here.
The coffee table is damaged. I don't like this. Look, this is damaged, guys. I'm going to go to the class very soon because I have a class at 6 p.m. So
And line it up with this other model so that light line.
And then when you tangle it to the number 7, in this case, this is actually for glass, so we're cutting through the glass as well.
okay, so here is how my decks look right now. Oh my god, so messy. Yeah. Now I'm going to do my homework for tomorrow because I have one more assignment that's due tomorrow, so I am going to do that right now. I already set up my computer, so I am good to do it.